Yes, your limitation is only your imagination. Sorry for what, beta?
No, excuse me, Nija, I want to share.
Okay, go ahead, beta. You always say unmute yourself and you can share your thought of the day. Yes, beta,
Uh,
I'm waiting.
Live as you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. These are the words
Very
of
good. Words of?
Mr. Gandhi.
Okay, beautiful.
May I as well?
Great things never come. Yes, beta. Yes.
We fall, we break, we fail, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, can I
Nija,
share
may I share?
this? Yes, darling, why not? Yes,
People save
beta.
good mem People save
Speak
good
loudly, speak
memories.
loudly.
People save good memories in mind, and
Hmm,
people save good memories in pen drive and bad memories in mind. If we change the location, our life will be changed.
correct. Be positive, be positive. And my thought of the day, to acquire knowledge, one must study. Yes, right, beta, right. Now, look at the thought of the day is from somebody sent me the morning, good morning message, and it was given by teacher Catherine. What is the thought of the day? It is very easy to give example, but it is very difficult to become an example. Practically, it is very difficult. So beautiful thoughts are every day shared with you, and I just shared the thought of the day. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Now, sir, the next slide. Thank you, Dan. When you put God first, yes, you are right. God is always there. You will never be last, right? That is the trust. Another, I'm a patriot. Okay. Thank you, darling. Because we are studying about the leaders of Pakistan. We have done the two questions about Qaid-e-Azam as the role of as his services rendered to Pakistan, and then again the role of Qaid as a Governor General. Before I start my lesson, that is, I told you that about Liaquat Ali Khan being the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So I'm sharing you with you the thought: I'm a patriot and I have a responsibility to fulfill. I love my country, and my country has given me rights and duties both. If I'm enjoying my rights, then I have to fulfill my responsibilities and duties as a good citizen also. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Before we start the Liaquat Ali Khan, sir, thank you. The next question is the role of Liaquat Ali Khan as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Sir, kindly, I would like to see the picture also. Yes, thank you, sir. Why Liaquat Ali Khan picture is holding these words? The Prime Minister of a poor country cannot afford to have new clothes, lavish food, and personal home of itself. I got it from the net and all the information, and then I thought why he has chosen these words. A little introduction regarding to the Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan's father was a Nawab, Rustam Ali Khan. He was the landlord and he is holding his property, a big land in two provinces, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. So Liaquat Ali was brought up in an enlightened, rich environment or atmosphere. But he left everything for Pakistan, his status, his lifestyle. He left everything in India, a large state, but never claimed any compensation. At that time, you know that when he was announced as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, what was his salary? It's only rupee 1. And what was his bank balance left? Only rupees 1200. At that time, they valued a lot. He left rupees 1200 for his family, and it was the proof of his honest living. So, sir, please, next slide. We are going to start Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan, page number 99. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first prime. Eyes on your books now. Everything is in the book. Very important topic. Since the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, important question also. Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, was born at Karnal or Karnal, town in the East Punjab. Place is very important. Karnal, circle. What was the town? East Pakistan. Now, see East Punjab, sorry. See, the East Punjab is within India. In 1896. His town was East Punjab, this town Karnal or Karnal in 1896. Remember, Qaid was born in 1876. So that is the very close to the 20 years difference, 1876, 1896. He did his graduation from MAO College, Aligarh. From where he has done his graduation? Circle MAO College. What is the place? Aligarh. And got the degree in law from Oxford University. From where he has got his degree of law? Oxford. He joined the All India Muslim League in 1923. Who will tell me when did Qaid join Muslim League? Very important for both of them. Qaid joined. Liaquat Ali Khan joined. Liaquat Ali Khan joined in 1923 Muslim League, and Qaid joined in 1913. 1913. 1913. He got the title, yes, 1913, and got the title of Ambassador of Peace. So, Liaquat Ali Khan joined in 1923. He was elected General Secretary of All India Muslim League in 1936. See, before the partition, before the creation of Pakistan, he was given what authority, what responsibility? General Secretary of All India Muslim League. So, he was the most trusted lieutenant or lieutenant. It's a commissioned officer rank, it's a rank in armed forces, but you can call lieutenant, it is British, lieutenant, American pronunciation, both are right, of Quaid-e-Azam till his death. So he was the lieutenant or lieutenant of Quaid-e-Azam till Quaid-e-Azam breathed his last. He was assassinated on October 1651. Very important date, very important date. He was assassinated, Shaheed-ul-Waqab, October 16, 1951. And at the side of the picture of Liaquat Ali Khan, you can write Benazir was also assassinated in December, 27th December 2007. Write down the date here. Both the prime ministers were assassinated. That is the common thing between the two prime ministers. She was assassinated in the same. Earlier, this famous park was called, it is now Liaquat Park. It was early called Company Park during the British time. And now it was named after the Prime Minister, Liaquat Ali. So Liaquat Park has got the history of assassination of the two prime ministers. Very important date of his assassination, 16th October 1951, and for Benazir, 27 December 2007. Now, what was his role? Number 1 point, to stop the bloodbath of the Muslims in the Punjab. To stop the bloodbath of the Muslims in Punjab, bloodbath means Khoon ki Holi, Katleam. where in the Punjab, Liaquat Ali Khan, as first Prime Minister of Pakistan, toured the border areas with Pandit Nehru. Now, because Punjab was divided, very huge province, so he toured with Pandit Nehru to and appeal the people to refrain. Refrain means to stop, to baaz rahe is कौन सी हरकत से from the hateful activity, इस मकरूह हरकत से, इस गलत इक़दाम से. So with Pandit Nehru and appeal to refrain from the hateful activity of human bloodshed. Human bloodshed means कि वही खून की होली से एक दूसरे का कत्लो गारत मत करो. So they both the leaders from India and Pakistan, they both toured the border areas and tried to convince people not to go for the bloodbath. The second point is the refugees were pouring into the Punjab. Pouring in means coming in at a huge number, at a large scale, where in the Punjab, the West Punjab area in Pakistan, and it was not an easy task to accommodate them, and it was not very difficult. Rehabilitation of the refugees was the most difficult task Quaid-e-Azam faced, most difficult time Liaquat Ali Khan faced. So on the directions of Quaid-e-Azam, because he was the lieutenant of Quaid, so he was directed by Quaid-e-Azam. He as a chairman Punjab Muhajir Council, so he was given the responsibility as the chairman Punjab Muhajir Council. Please circle कीजिएगा. They may ask you in the form of MCQ. Monitor the work of rehabilitation of refugees and provided them with necessities of life. Rehabilitation, बहाली किसकी? refugees की. refugees कौन होते हैं? महाजरीन. महाजरीन की बहाली की जिम्मेदारी जो थी वो Liaquat Ali Khan ko सौंपी गई. And who gave this one? I'm giving you in Urdu also. I know that Mishal, Malaika, another one or two girls are studying in Urdu. Beta hum ye wala jo point hai wo padh rahe. The next third point is he helped and guided Quaid-e-Azam, the nation and the government in setting up an effective administrative system. अब एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव इंतजामी हालात को संभालने के लिए he worked day and night. Restoration of economic life, मुआशी बहाली के लिए. Preparation of budget, budget की तैयारी. Of course budget आप तैयार करते हैं that this is the amount and different departments needs. In June we are going to have the budget for the year of the 2020 for Pakistan. So in that different departments को हम देखते हैं कि हमने health, education, finance, defense पे हमने कितना amount खर्च करना है. So the budget, he helped for the preparation of budget. Kashmir issue was another big problem. This point is very important. Controlling internal disruption. Controlling internal disruption. Refugees का issue अपनी जगह है, महाशी बहाली का, लेकिन जो दाखिली इंतशार था अंदरूनी सतह पर जो पाकिस्तान के एरियाज में थे वहां पर इंतशार था, केओस था. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लोगों को पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट जो था वो मुहैया करना था. एंड डिफेंस अगेंस्ट इंडियन कॉन्स्पिरेसीज. एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट इंडियन कॉन्स्पिरेसीज साजिशें साथ साथ चल रही थी. सो सर्कल ऑल दीज. बीइंग द प्राइम मिनिस्टर being the lieutenant of Quaid-e-Azam, कौन से डिपार्टमेंट्स वो चेक कर रहे थे? He was helping the government to set up an effective administrative system. What was that? Number 1 point, restoration of economic life. The number 2 point, preparation of budget. Then is Kashmir issue, controlling internal disruption, and defense against Indian conspiracies. But the responsibility of implementing the decision rested with him. Rested it means का मतलब है यहाँ पर he was responsible for the implementation for all the steps. इन तमाम implementations को, इन तमाम जो भी इंतजामात थे, हिकमत अमली थी, उसको अमली जामा पहनाना था किसने? लियाकत अली खान was responsible to deal all these Conspiracies, beta, many times it has come in the 3 point. This is the third question. And I always tell you, please write down the meaning. Conspiracies का मतलब है साजिशें.
साजिश.
Sazish, very good. Thank you, beta. The fourth point is of page 99. The last point is when the nation was demoralized. Demoralized means mayus hogi, depressed hogi. After the death of Quaid-e-Azam, and the Indian leadership was always busy in hatching conspiracies. Again, hatching, planning conspiracies. किसकी planning थी? साजिशें plan कर रहे थे against Pakistan after the death of Quaid-e-Azam. Again, there was a big responsibility on the shoulders of Liaquat Ali Khan. Quaid-e-Azam died. He worked day and night for the 13 months. But after his death, now Liaquat Ali Khan is responsible for many things. So when the Indians were busy in hatching conspiracies against Pakistan, it was he who represented and led the nation. Now, who was the leader? After the death of Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan. Very important line. See, in my book, I always circle the things. And this is the page I have shared with you. The nation gave him the title of Qaid-e-Millat. Qaid-e-Millat. This is the title of Liaquat Ali Khan. Circle the title. बाबाए कौन था? बाबाए जो थे वो Qaid-e-Millat. What was the title? It was Qaid-e-Millat. अब word आ रहा है in commemoration of his superb leadership skills. Please circle this whole sentence. Why he was being given the title Qaid-e-Millat? Commemoration, celebrate, we give tribute of what? Superb leadership skills. For his noble, for his super, umda leadership जो हिकमत अमली थी, उसके तहत जो था लियाकत अली खान को कायद-ए-मिल्लत का टाइटल दिया गया. Am I clear regarding up till page 99? Commemoration means याद मनाती है. We celebrate, tribute देना. Is that clear now? Okay. Page 100 now. In the reign of Liaquat Ali Khan, an enormous struggle was launched for economic growth. Economic growth के लिए माशी बेहालत को बेहतर बनाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा struggle की गई थी. The people were persuaded. Persuaded means convince. Persuaded means convince किया. To use Pakistani products. उनको तरगीब दी गई. उन्हें convince किया गया ताकि वो पाकिस्तानी मसनूआत को इस्तेमाल करें. Machinery was imported from where we import the machinery at that time. Please circle Japan for the development of textile industry. Machinery was imported from Japan during the period of Liaquat Ali Khan. It was not America, it was not Germany, it was not China, it was Germany. Industry for textile industry and Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation was set up. That department was set up. What was that? Please circle Pakistan Industrial. Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation was set up. Please circle this Industrial Development Corporation when it can be your MCQ during the period of Liaquat Ali Khan. He got objective resolution passed from assembly in 1914. Very, very important. Very, very important. When objective resolution was passed, that is the first a draft of constitution, and it became the preamble of the constitution also. Next point is your objective resolution. Qaraardad-e Maqasid, how the country will be run. So he gave the objective resolution in 1949 and constituted a basic principle committee to draw the new constitution. एक नए आइन की तैयारी में objective resolution ने बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया. Very important point. Date is very important. Sometimes it comes in the MCQ. He visited the United States of America in 1950. Very important. He was the first visit of Liaquat Ali Khan as the Prime Minister was to USA in 1950, and Harry Truman was the President of USA. This is not in the book, but Harry Truman, Truman, was the President of USA at that time. He apprised. Apprise का मतलब है update करना, आगाह करना, to make aware, to inform. To whom he has informed, updated American people and leaders of the background of the establishment of Pakistan. What was the real background? वो क्या मुहर्रिकात थे कि एक अलग वतन के लिए पूरी एफर्ट की गई थी. He apprised the, updated the, he made aware the people of USA and the leaders of USA when he visited in 1950. He tried his best to convince the American leadership to meet the defense needs of Pakistan. So they asked that we need help regarding to this thing for the defense. दफा के लिए उनसे मदद मांगी और उनको अपनी आगाह किए कि this is the newly state. Thus, he was the first leader who played a vital role in introducing Pakistan to the United States of America. Up till here, point number 8. Point number 8, the foreign policy formulated by Liaquat Ali Khan had the fundamental principles of maintaining brotherly and friendly relations. See, I told you, beta, when Pakistan came into being, Qaid was the first one who established relations when 30th September 1947 and got the membership with the UNO. So, to develop the good relations, your foreign policy counts a lot. So he wanted to develop the brotherly and friendly relationship with the Islamic country. खुशगवार ताल्लुकात जो थे Islamic countries के साथ, मुस्लिम ममालिक के साथ इस्तवार करना चाहते थे. He supported the steps taken by Dr. Muhammad Mossadegh, the Prime Minister of Iran. Who was the Prime Minister of Iran at that time? Dr. Muhammad Mossadegh, to nationalize the oil. When Shah of Iran paid a state visit, now Shah of Iran उस समय वहां पर जो थी बादशाह थी, तो जो भी president था उसको Shah of Iran कहा जाता था, paid a visit to Pakistan. Both the leaders held talk to adopt a joint policy, एक मुश्तरका policy के ऊपर to develop good relations आपस में, because we are the neighbor of Iran also. So friendly relations were supposed to be developed. A joint policy was adopted. एक मुश्तरका पॉलिसी जो थी आपस के ताल्लुकात को बढ़ाने के लिए was adopted. He condemned, मजम्मत की, the aggression of Western countries. Against what? Against Egypt. Western मगरबी ममालिक की जो मिस्र के खिलाफ जारहियत थी उसकी उन्होंने मजम्मत की. He condemned the aggression of Western countries against Egypt. Egypt is a Muslim country, and supported the freedom movement in Indonesia. Indonesia is a Muslim country. So आज़ादी की तहरीक को, इंडोनेशिया की आज़ादी की तहरीक को support किया. After Pakistan was established, Hindu-Muslim rights, fasadat, were a routine in India due to severe enmity of Hindus against Muslim. ये जो फसादात चल रहे थे वो एक दुश्मनी की मद्देनजर चल रहे थे मुसलमानों के against. Liaquat Ali Khan thought it necessary to solve this problem at government level. Now he thought that to have the peaceful environment for the development of Pakistan, we need a peaceful environment. We cannot afford a fight, because whatsoever supposed to be spent on the war must be spent on the development of the, instead of spending on the defense, why not on the development and the progress of the nation? बाकी चीजों के लिए जरूरत थी. So he thought of that one, and how he resolved this is again very important. Can you see the picture Nehru Liaquat Pact? Can you see? Zoom this picture. I got this picture from the net for you people only. Therefore, in 1950, he visited India in this connection and signed Liaquat Nehru Pact. आपस की लड़ाइयों को कम किया जाए. He signed 1950 Nehru Pact. What was in the Nehru Pact? It is also called Delhi Pact because it was signed in Delhi. It was the safeguard for the rights of the Muslim, safeguard of the rights of the Muslim to create an environment of peace. Nehru Pact was, the important point of Nehru Pact was to safeguard the rights of the minorities. Is that clear? So he signed that pact in 1950. He visited India in this connection and signed the Liaquat Nehru Pact. What was the date? 1950. What was the pact between Nehru and Liaquat? It was called Liaquat Nehru Pact or Delhi Pact. The last point, when Indian Army concentrated on the borders of the Pakistan in the mid of 1950, concentrated means ikatte ho gaye, gathered, where on the borders of Pakistan in 1951, uncertainty was created. Uncertainty means confusion thi, गैर यकीनी सूरत हाल थी. He toured countrywide to raise the morale, हौसले. He toured countrywide to raise the morale of the nation and to make the people aware of this threat. Now, very important point of the last one is threat. Threat means खौफ, डर जो था. He raised a fist in his speeches. So, what is a strong leader? Raises the fist का मतलब है, it's a symbol of solidarity. फिस्ट अपनी मुट्ठी बंद को जो दिखाना होता है, लहराना होता है, वो क्या साइन होता है? It's a symbol of solidarity, unity, strength, and resistance. He raised the fist in his speeches, which made the people aware of this threat. And he showed people, we are not a weak, we are together. एक मुट्ठी बंद जो होती है ना, वो यूनिटी को भी शो करती है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी पावर को भी शो करती है. So he was telling his people, we are united, we have a strength, and we are ready to face any kind of challenge. Up till here, beta, up till here, put the date. And in the next session, I will go with the new version of Urdu. Any question, any ambiguity, anything difficult? Condemned means muzammat karna. He did not like this one. Okay. Now remember, we have done two personalities. That is Qaid as a role of Governor General, role of Qaid in the creation of Pakistan, and the role of Prime Minister, role of Liaquat Ali Khan as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Thank you, beta. Thank you, darling. Thank you for being with me. Remember, side by side, you learn your old lessons 1, 3, and 5. But remember, this is almost the same. We have done Liaquat Ali Khan's role. Thoda bahut change jo hai, it is in the creation of Pakistan mein hai. A little change is there. But role of Qaid as the Governor General is almost the same. If you keep on learning 2 points daily, 2 points of Qaid, 2 points of Liaquat Ali Khan, within 5 days, 4 days, you will be able to learn the whole questions. Thank you, darling. And this is how I always inform you, I always advise you to learn the long question. Thank you, darling. It's over now. Thank you. Thank you. Stay blessed.